First of all, go ahead and fold your fabric into two and then place your half cut measurement plus extra 6 inches. So I'm trying to determine the 6 inches which is going to be for my built up collar right there, and then mark a straight line across it. Once that is done, from the center front I'll come in by 3 inches and then I indicate it right there. Then I'll go up by 3.5 inches, which is the neck width for the back of my dress. So on that 3.5 inches, I'll go backwards by 1.5 inches and then I'll indicate it right there. So once that is done, I'll go ahead and place my neck depth for the front piece at 9 inches, and then I'll go ahead and connect from my collar to make my neck depth. So my neck depth for the front pattern I said is 9 inches, and then I'm connecting it right there to meet the built up collar. Once that is done, I'll go up by half an inch like so, and then I'll connect it to meet the edge right there at that 1.5 inches. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and make sure all the measurements I have around there is 2.75 inches because I want my collar to be 1.75 inches. The other 1 inch is for sewing allowance on both sides, so I'll go ahead and connect my collar like so to make my neckline depth. So once that is done, I'll go ahead and extend my collar by half an inch like so, and then I'll just connect it the way you see me do. You can do 1 inch if you're not sure it's going to meet up your zipper allowance measurement on top like so. So next thing to do is to go ahead and cut out all the marked areas. It's very beautiful. So once this is done, you take your back piece and then you place it shoulder to shoulder, and then I'll go ahead and pin it like so. Once I'm done pinning, I'm trying to pin it, but once I'm done pinning, just watch carefully what I'm doing. Fold the collar backwards to enter into your neckline for the back, and then you go ahead and pin it. So you're going to go ahead and sew it like so, starting from the shoulder. When you get to where the shoulder stops, make sure you align that place properly and then go ahead and sew it gently towards the back neckline. So you're sewing from your shoulder and then you're attaching the collar directly to the back neckline. And this is what I have. You can see my collar is already sitting pretty right there. So